In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Chrome in full screen mode automatically. We'll walk through a simple way to make Chrome open in full screen every time, so you don't have to manually press F11 or adjust the window size whenever you start your browser. This is especially handy if you're using a shared computer, a kiosk setup, or you just prefer a clean, distraction-free browsing experience. First, make sure Google Chrome is completely closed. If you see any Chrome windows still open on your screen, or minimized on your taskbar or dock, go ahead and close them now. It's important that Chrome isn't running while we change its startup behavior, so that the new settings apply properly. Next, locate the Chrome shortcut you usually use to open the browser. This might be on your desktop, your taskbar, your dock, or in your Applications folder. We're going to modify this shortcut so that every time you open Chrome from here, it launches directly into full screen. Once you've found the shortcut, open its properties or settings. On many systems, this means right-clicking the icon and selecting something like Properties or Get Info. Look for the field that shows the path or target where Chrome is installed. This is the command your computer runs when you open the browser. At the end of that existing path, you're going to add a small flag that tells Chrome to start in a special mode that behaves like full screen. Be sure to add a space after the existing text before you type the new flag, so it doesn't get stuck directly to the file path. If you don't leave that space, the command won't work properly. After adding the flag, confirm or apply your changes and close the Properties window. From now on, whenever you open Chrome using this modified shortcut, it should launch in a clean, full-screen style environment automatically, without you needing to press any extra keys. If you ever want to go back to the normal windowed mode by default, just return to the same shortcut settings and remove the extra text you added at the end. Apply the changes again, and Chrome will open normally the next time you start it. That's all you need to set up Chrome to run in full screen automatically. Thanks for watching. And feel free to repeat these steps on any other shortcuts if you use Chrome from multiple places on your computer.